In our increasingly digital world, the internet has become an integral part of our daily lives. However, this convenience comes at an environmental cost. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the concept of green hosting and its pivotal role in shaping a more sustainable digital future. What is green hosting? Green hosting, also known as eco-friendly web hosting, is a conscious effort to mitigate the environmental impact of web services. Unlike traditional hosting, which often relies on energy from fossil fuels, green hosting prioritizes renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power. This shift towards greener energy sources not only reduces the carbon footprint of web hosting, but also contributes to a cleaner, more sustainable energy ecosystem. The benefits of green hosting. The benefits of green hosting extend far beyond reducing carbon emissions. First and foremost, it's a win-win for both businesses and the environment. By utilizing energy-efficient infrastructure, green hosting minimizes resource consumption, leading to cost savings for hosting providers and reduced environmental impact. Furthermore, it enhances a company's brand image, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who increasingly prioritize sustainability when choosing products and services. Support for renewable energy development. Green hosting doesn't stop at utilizing renewable energy. It actively supports the growth of clean energy sources. Many hosting providers invest in renewable energy projects and initiatives aimed at offsetting their carbon emissions. Some even go the extra mile by participating in reforestation programs or carbon capture projects. By choosing green hosting, you indirectly contribute to these environmentally beneficial endeavors. Hosting as an opportunity for the environment. Conventional web hosting practices pose a significant threat to the environment. Data centers, which power the internet, generate CO2 emissions comparable to those of global airlines. For perspective, streaming an hour of video can emit as much CO2 as driving 300 meters by car. The energy demands of the internet continue to surge, with the current consumption already double that of 2010. However, technological advancements in data center efficiency are gradually mitigating these impacts. Energy-efficient data centers are becoming the norm, enabling the processing of more data using less energy, ultimately benefiting the environment. Additionally, some innovative approaches are repurposing data center waste heat to warm residential areas and reducing the need for energy-intensive cooling systems. How to identify green web hosting. Curious about whether your web hosting offers green hosting? It's simple to discern. Look for hosting providers that operate servers powered by ecologically generated electricity. Beyond that, consider the hosting company's commitment to eco-friendly initiatives, such as responsible hardware recycling and support for renewable energy projects. In conclusion, green hosting represents a powerful opportunity to make a positive impact on the digital world while actively supporting a cleaner, greener future. Embracing sustainability in every facet of your online activities is not just an option, it's a responsibility. Choose green hosting for a sustainable digital future where your online presence aligns with your commitment to environmental well-being. Together, we can create a digital world that leaves a lighter footprint on our planet. Visit UltaHost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.